Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how you can actually determine the value of your whole Roblox account. So all the items, everything including the name and what else you got on your account. It's a very easy process, so let's get straight into it. Now the first thing that you want to do is open up your Roblox player on your cell phone or your PC, and from there head down to the search bar right here. Now from there we're going to type in account value, as you can see right here. Now from there what we want to do next is we want to hop onto this experience, open it up, and as you can see right here it loads the game. Now once the game has been booted up, as you can see right here, the continue button will appear, and here simply press continue. Select the account which you have, so the player model. From there press view now, and here you need to give access to the items so that it can read what kind of items are on your account. Simply press OK, and as you can see here the valuation process starts. Here it will check all my number of items, as you can see right here, and my username, which is valued at 350 Roblox, and here we see the total amount of Roblox that is my account worth. Now here you see I have not a lot of items, but that doesn't matter because they're still worth some Robux. Now if this tutorial was helpful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. This helps me a lot, and thank you for watching.